The McCook knife set with built-in sharpener offers a comprehensive solution for home chefs seeking professional-grade performance and lasting durability. These sets are crafted from high-carbon German stainless steel, which is known for its exceptional rust resistance and edge retention. The ergonomic handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip and precise control during intricate cutting tasks, making them a reliable choice for daily kitchen preparation. One of the standout features of this collection is the innovative wooden block that houses the blades while providing a convenient maintenance system. The McCook knife set with built-in sharpener ensures that your blades remain sharp without the need for external tools or specialized skills. By simply sliding the knives in and out of the designated sharpening slots, users can maintain a keen edge for slicing, dicing, and chopping with minimal effort. In addition to its functional benefits, this culinary kit serves as a stylish centerpiece for any modern kitchen counter. The sleek aesthetic of the stainless steel paired with the natural wood finish of the block creates a sophisticated look that complements various decor styles. Investing in a McCook knife set with built-in sharpener provides a versatile range of tools, including chef knives, utility knives, and shears, all designed to streamline your cooking experience and elevate your culinary results. Pros: impressive weight and feel, high quality and durable, excellent sharpness, great variety of knives, worth the price, super sharp and sturdy, convenient built-in sharpener, stays sharp for months, beautiful well-constructed knives, sharp included scissors, high-quality woodblock, does not rust, very easy to use, comfortable for heavy cutting, great for users with osteoarthritis. Cons: block color is more red or orange, block color may not match photos. Features: German stainless steel, built-in knife sharpener, full tang construction, ergonomic handle design, taper grind edge, complete block set, high carbon steel, rust-resistant blades. Dishwasher safe. The McCook knife set with built-in sharpener offers a comprehensive solution for home chefs seeking professional-grade performance and lasting durability. These sets are crafted from high-carbon German stainless steel, which is known for its exceptional rust resistance and edge retention. The ergonomic handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip and precise control during intricate cutting tasks, making them a reliable choice for daily kitchen preparation. McCook German stainless steel knife sets offer impressive weight, durability, and lasting sharpness that makes them particularly well suited for heavy cutting and accessible for users with osteoarthritis, all at a price point that feels like a great value. While the high-quality wood block features a convenient built-in sharpener and effectively resists rust, some users may find that the actual color of the block leans more toward red or orange tones than what is depicted in product photos.